vocabulary مفردات في داخل السينما. Welcome. In this video, you will learn useful English words and phrases for the cinema. مرحباً. في هذا الفيديو ستتعلم كلمات وعبارات مفيدة باللغة الإنجليزية عن السينما. Cameraman. Clapperboard. Director. Move counter. Move screen. Tickets. 3D glasses. Popcorn. Cup. Seat. Move genre. Action. Adventure. Comedy. Drama. Romance. Fantasy. Horror and thriller. Science fiction. Animation or cartoon. Historical. War. Western. Mystery and crime. Musical. Documentary. Foreign film. Author and writer. Novelist. Cartoonist. Sequel and prequel. Remake. Cast. Screenplay. Plot. Climax. Dialogue and soundtrack. Fictional characters. Alien. Cyclops, Giant, Bigfoot, Titan. Vampire or Dracula. Demon or devil. Dragon. Dwarf or elf. Fairy and genie. Death or grim reaper. Ghost or sprite. Goblin. Invisible man. Mermaid. Wizard or witcher. Witch. Mummy. Pegasus. Superhero. Unicorn. Zombie.
Laser gun.
Robot. Monster or beast. Spell or magic. Potion. Werewolf. Explorer. Bad guy. Cauldron. Flying carpet. Broomstick.